Alright, yo, what's up, everyone? Today's gonna be the first day of a series of me doing my trading recaps for the day. And today I made a quick little $500 on the NASDAQ. So I'm gonna show you exactly why I took this trade, what my confluences were. And yeah, this is for January the 14th. So, first of all, coming into market open, you can see insanely strong push to the downside. And I mean, I was thinking primarily of taking either this long or this short. The short would have worked as well, but I was in class, so although they did work, but the short at least would have worked. I missed it. So I was looking for another entry, and I think I actually got a better entry, or at least one that I'm more happy with. So the entry that I did was right over here is the exact one. You can see my PNL here, 496. I put it at 500. Like I just move it, so I moved it around here and it was 500, but it turned out to 496. No problem, no biggie. So let's go over the trade. So first of all, huge downside. I mark out the manipulation leg, standard deviation, and then I wait for it to hit one of my levels. And you see here it hit one of them, but did not give me an IFVG. I take IFVG trades. So when it went on a -4 and I saw a clean IFVG, I entered on said IFVG. Well, let me mark it out for you here. Okay, so it's right there. I mean, it's right on it, but I had to actually check it to make sure. But yeah, it's closed right above here, which is why my entry is a bit below, because I wasn't exactly sure right when it happened if it closed above or below. But after I checked it for a couple seconds, I realized it did, and then I entered. And I mean, first of all, there was obviously a standard deviation. The trade was during macro, which for my model means that it's a higher win rate chance. There was no real news that was happening, so that was another good thing. I mean, clear IFVG taps a standard deviation and then reacts off of it. Had a bit of accumulation here, so I was expecting a bit of a chop, and that's sort of what happened here. But besides the point, that is, it still hit TP. So what I did was I entered IFVG and I had my break even at one of the unmitigated fair value gaps. I was going to have it here, but we already tapped into it. I would assume it would have chopped around here. I would have probably gotten break even or something stupid would have happened, so I wouldn't risk it. So I simply put it below this FVG. And actually, when I took this trade, I didn't even have enough time to put break even because it moved so quickly to my TP. But yeah, so the main reasons for the trade were macro, clear V-shape IFVG, standard deviation. There was also hourly liquidity sweeps, hourly swing lows, liquidity sweeps, and we were just moving way below the 50% point, which is just when the market opens, and then a 50% point of the high and the low. We were insanely at this point, insanely below that 50%, so I was looking for longs, and I was able to get them here. And that's how I was able to achieve 496. I'm probably going to say in the title $500. It's a cleaner number. And that's what I was supposed to get, but of course fees and stuff bring it down a bit. But yeah, this was on the eval. I'm hoping to pass it soon. You know what I'm saying? Quick little first trade. We'll see how the rest of this goes.